Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There was a man among the people before you whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had blessed with profuse wealth. When the time of his departure approached nearer, he said to his sons, 'What kind of father am I?' They replied, 'You are a good father.' He said, 'I have never done any good deed. So when I die, you should incinerate me, then pulverize me, and when it is blowing a gale, blow my ashes off.' They did so. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu collected his body particles and said, 'What stirred you to do so?' He replied, 'The fear of you.' So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu enveloped him in his mercy. Muaz reports from Qatada, he said, 'I heard Uqba bin Abdul Ghafir say, I heard from Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said.' Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3478.